Rabid, irrationally extreme in opinion or practice, violently intense. Racy, slightly improper or indelicate, sexually suggestive, risque. Radiance, warm, cheerful brightness. Radiate, to project or glow with cheerfulness, joy, etc., to emit rays as of light or heat. Radical, favoring drastic political, economic, or social reforms, going to the root or origin. Radix, a number taken as the base of a system of numbers, logarithms, or the like. Raillery, good-humored ridicule. Ramify, to divide or spread out into branches or branch-like parts. Ramos, having many branches. Rampant, violent in action or spirit, prevailing or unchecked. Rampart, a broad elevation or mound of earth raised as a fortification. Rancor, bitter, rankling resentment or ill will, hatred, malice. Rankle, to continue to cause bitter resentment within the mind, fester. Rapacious, given to seizing for plunder or the satisfaction of greed. Rapid, occurring within a short time, characterized by speed. Rapine, the violent seizure and carrying off of another's property. Rapt, carried off spiritually to another place, sphere of existence, etc., deeply engrossed or absorbed. Raptorial, preying upon other animals, adapted for seizing prey. Ration, a fixed allowance of provisions or food. Rationalism, the principle of accepting reason as the supreme authority in matters of opinion, belief, or conduct. Raucous, disorderly, rowdy, harsh. Ravage, to work havoc upon. Ravenous, intensely eager for gratification or satisfaction, extremely hungry, famished. Ravine, a narrow, steep-sided valley commonly eroded by running water. Reaction, action in response to some influence, event, etc. The action caused by the resistance to another action. Reactionary, opposing political or social change. Readjust, to adjust again or anew. Realism, interest in or concern for the actual or real, as distinguished from the abstract, speculative, etc., the tendency to view or represent things as they really are. Reassure, to restore to assurance or confidence. Rebellious, defying or resisting some established authority, government, or tradition, pertaining to or characteristic of rebels or rebellion. Rebut, to refute by evidence or argument, to oppose by contrary proof. Recant, to withdraw or disavow a statement, opinion, etc. Retract. Recapitulate, to review by a brief summary as at the end of a speech or discussion. Recede, to move toward a more distant point. Withdraw, retreat. Receivable, fit for acceptance, acceptable. Receptive, willing or inclined to receive suggestions, offers, etc. Recessive, tending to go, move, or flow back. Recidivism, the chronic tendency toward repetition of criminal or antisocial behavior patterns. Reciprocal, given or felt by each toward the other, inversely related or proportional. Reciprocate, to give, feel, etc. in return, to exchange favors. Reciprocity, the relation in which corresponding advantages or privileges are granted to each other. Recitation, oral response by a pupil or pupils to a teacher on a prepared lesson. Rec, to have care, concern, or regard, to take heed.